Today we are going to install the FORTIGATE 40F into the RM-FR-T14 from Rackmount.IT. You will need the FORTINET appliance and the rack mount kit. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, 2 tie wraps, 2 countersunk M3 bolts, 1 adhesive label, 7 Cat 6 cables, 1 Allen key, and 1 M3 bolt, and installation instructions. There are a few installation methods depending on the FORTIGATE model. In this example, we will install using Option 2. Remove the original bolt from one side of the appliance. Place your FORTIGATE on the rack and use the provided bolt to fix the FORTIGATE. Once the bolt is tightened, the appliance is secure. Remove the label from its carrier and place it above the connectors on the front. Now we want to connect the cables from your FORTIGATE to the connectors on the rack mount kit. Use 2 tie wraps to hold the cables together. You are done installing the appliance on the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secure. Now we are ready to install the rack into a server cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us on the web at www.rackmount.it.